So we're gonna have pork chops and carrots and potatoes for dinner tonight. I'm getting it all in the crock pot. Here's what goes in. So I'm gonna do a different thing with the onion. I'm gonna keep the onion whole and I'm gonna roast it whole in the crock pot the whole time. So I have these beautiful pork chops that I got on a really good deal. They have to be used today, so they're going in the crock pot. All right, dinner's all ready already. Just gotta cook.